In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a ticket toolbot on Discord. First thing, you have to go to Discord, then go to your Discord server. Make sure you have control or admin control. Then I'm going to go to the browser, and then I'm going to type in ticket tool.xyz. Okay, so you can see here ticket tool.xyz. This is the website, and now we have to click invite ticket tool. We need to add the ticket toolbot to the Discord, our Discord server. So I'm going to add to this server. This is my server, and then click continue, and then I need to confirm this here. Let me just confirm it. And then now it's successful. Go back to the Discord server. Now we have to go click on the Discord server name, click on settings, then go to roles, and then you're gonna see the ticket toolbot. Now you want to tap and hold, and then make sure to put the ticket tool around the top, then click on save. And now we need to create a role for support staff members. So I'm going to click the plus sign, then I'm going to call it support staff. Okay, and then I'm going to click create. Then you can set the permissions. I'm going to set it to moderator, select. Then I'm going to select the support staff. So I'm going to select here. You can select all the members you want them to be support, and then click finish. Okay. Okay, now we need to create a channel for support. So I'm going to click on the server name, then click create channel. I'm going to call it support, and then I'm going to click create, and this is the support channel. Okay, now we're going back to the website. So tickettool.xyz, then here we want to click on home, then click on dashboard, then log in with Discord. Okay, and then I'm going to click here. Okay, and now we need to click on the server manage server. Okay, now we need to create a panel. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to click plus. I'm going to create here a panel. Let's call it support staff. Okay, and then I'm going to click on create. This will create the panel. Okay, now we're going to click save. Then we're going to go to general, and then we have to assign a role. So I'm going to assign this to support. So where is it here? It's going to be support staff. Then once you select it, so here I'm going to select it again, then click save. Make sure it's saved. Now we have to go back here. Okay, now one thing we have to do, we have to go back to Discord. Now we have to click here, and then we need to create a category. So let's call the category support. Okay, and then click on create. So now I'm going to put this channel in the support category. So tap and hold on it, then scroll down, edit, then category, then support category, then here. So this is good, and then make sure it's saved, and then just go back. You can see here we have it in the support category. Now we go back here, we go to category, then we have to select the category. So we just added the category. Let me just refresh the page here so that it receives the latest information. So here I'm going to close this. So now you should be able to see the support category. Now just click on save. Okay, now we're going to click on back, then we're going to click send. Then we have to pick the channel, the support channel. Then we have to click send. Now just give it a few seconds. You can see how it's sent it. Now we can go back to the Discord, go back to the support channel, and you can see how we have created a support ticket tool on the Discord server. Okay, now when a user clicks on create ticket, they will have a ticket created, and since I have assigned myself as a support staff, I will be able to see their ticket and reply to it. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.